That's right, guys. Wireless charging made possible on the LG Aristo 3. Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos, and we just wanted to do a quick video and show you how to wirelessly charge your LG Aristo 3. This isn't a feature that comes built into the phone. You will need a separate adapter. It's called a wireless Qi adapter. We'll have a link in the description where you can pick one up. And it's super simple. It just plugs right into the charging port. And if you have a case, which ideally it works best if you have a case, you plug it in and have this right on the back. You put your case right over it and it'll work right through a case. And you just take it and just put it down your wireless charger. And that's it. It'll link up and then it'll start charging. So really cool. It's very easy. These chargers will run you anywhere from $10 to $20, so they're very inexpensive. So go pick one up. We're going to have a link in the description of where you can get that charger. We'll also have a link to get this really nice thin profile wireless charger. And also, we have this other really cool wireless charger here. It's actually a portable power bank charger, so you can plug in and charge your phone directly, or same thing, you can just place your phone right on it and it's wireless charging capable. So you can do both. You can wirelessly charge or you can direct charge with a cable. So we'll have a link in the description for that as well. Hope you guys found that video helpful. Just a really short, simple one. We always want to show you cool things you can do with your smartphone, and this is just one of those things where you only know if you've been to H2 Tech. So do me a favor, guys, like, favorite, and share if you did find it helpful. Leave a comment down below if you're going to pick up one of these cool wireless chargers, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.